Looking for bakeware that fits your toaster oven perfectly and makes baking simple? The Ecolution BakeIns 4-piece bakeware set delivers just that. Designed specifically for toaster ovens, this set includes a cookie sheet with rack, a muffin pan, and a cake pan, all sized to fit compact spaces without sacrificing performance. What sets this set apart is its durable carbon steel construction, which ensures even heat distribution for consistent baking results every time. Plus, the advanced non-stick coating means your food releases effortlessly, so cleanup is a breeze. Whether you're whipping up snacks, desserts, or full meals, these pans perform reliably without the hassle of a full-sized oven. I've used these pans myself in a small apartment kitchen, and they truly solve the space problem. They slide right into my Breville MiniSmart Oven, saving precious counter and storage space. What's more, the set is 100% dishwasher safe, which saves time after cooking. When my original set arrived with dents, the company's quick and helpful customer service sent a flawless replacement immediately, proof they stand behind their product. If you're juggling limited kitchen space or just want a practical bakeware set that's built to last, the Ecolution BakeIns toaster oven set is worth a look. It's made without harmful chemicals like BPA, PFOA, or PTFE, so it's safe for your family and the environment. Plus, the non-stick surface is water-based, combining safety with performance. Ready to upgrade your toaster oven baking? This set gives you what you need: durable, easy-to-clean pans that fit small kitchens without compromise. If that's you, consider adding the Ecolution BakeIns 4-piece set to your kitchen arsenal. Try it when you're ready and enjoy better baking with less fuss.